Hey, how about it? Here we are back at Christmas Garage. Hey, this really is Christmas Garage. I'm used to Christmas Shed. I've heard a lot of controversy about these Harbor Freight polish your headlight, get that milky look out, and I put a bunch of reviews out. I seen them and read them. They said they don't work. It takes 2 or 3 kits to do one headlight. And, well, I don't take everybody's word for gospel. So I got one, and I read the reviews and how to use the McGuire one. And they said water, water, water. So if you take these and put a lot of water to them, they'll work just as good as them high-dollar McGuire ones. So we're gonna give it a whirl here and see what happens. It did better, it did good on other vehicles. We're about to find out with this. So what I got a air drill here. It's not a high-speed drill. It does a pretty good job. And usually I run it with one hand and wash with the other hand, but I got a helper here today who's gonna squirt water on it, so we're gonna give it a go.
We got some tape around here so we don't mess up the old paint, because you get some 600-700 grit sandpaper on the old paint. Customer not like that. I don't know if you can see it good, but this thing is very, very, I'm gonna try to get you a good picture of what it looks like, but it's in bad shape, fellas, is what I'm trying to say here. So we're gonna go on it. We're gonna keep water running on it. So what is that? That's a 500?
Yeah, this is 500. Milky because we're roughing it up.
All right, what we do the first one on 500?
Yeah, 500.
And then now we're going back to an 800. We went over the whole thing with 500, kept it good and wet. Now we've got an 800. We're gonna go over the whole thing with 800. We've done the 500, we've done the, here we go. We've done the 500 pad, 800 pad, and now we're going to the, it's a little bit more foam on it. This is 3000. And we're gonna polish on that, and then we're gonna put some of that old mayonnaise on it. Buffer with the,
That Duke's mayonnaise.
Duke's mayonnaise, got to be Duke's. Unless you're from up north, then you've got to have El Hillman.
Yeah, that Miracle Whip stuff.
looks brand new right there.
You know why I switched to a clean rag? You know why I switched to a clean rag? That rag has a grip from the other one in it. You rub it up there and you'll scratch it right back up. I don't know about you, but that looks like good enough for the girls we run with, don't it?
Yeah. Well, I think it's going to be hard to see on the video. I really do. We'll go around it real slow and easy. It's not new, but she's mighty close. I mean, from what it was, 100%. A whole lot better than what it was.